In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips to make your new photo look great everywhere in your workspace. First, open Lark on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where you can see your chats or workspace. Your profile photo usually sits in a top corner of the window. It might be a small circle with your initials if you haven't set one yet. Go ahead and click that photo. This opens your profile pop-up, a small panel that shows your name and basic details. In that profile pop-up, look for the Edit option near your name and photo. Click Edit to move into the area where you can update your profile details. This is where Lark lets you change your picture without digging through a lot of menus, keeping things fast and straightforward. You'll see your current picture with a small camera icon on it. Click the camera icon. This tells Lark you want to replace the existing image. Your computer's file picker will appear, letting you choose a new picture. Select an image file from your computer, like a JPG or PNG. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo where your face is centered and easy to recognize. A square or nearly square image often crops the cleanest, so if you can, choose something that won't cut off important details. After you select the image, Lark may prompt you to adjust or crop it. Use the slider to zoom and drag the image to position your face or logo right where you want it. Keep a little space around the edges so it doesn't feel cramped. When it looks good, confirm the crop. Now click Save or OK to finalize your changes. This is the step that actually commits the new photo to your account. Once saved, Lark updates your profile picture across your chats and your workspace. You'll see your new image appear next to your messages and in places where your profile is shown. If you don't see it change instantly everywhere, give it a moment. It can take a short time to refresh across all views, especially if you have multiple chats open. That's it. You've changed your Lark profile picture using just a few clicks. Open the app, access your profile, edit, choose the new image, adjust if needed, and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated look in Lark.